we go, buddy. All right. We're going to go out for a little morning walk, show you the rest of the boardwalk here. See if we can drive some people down here to the Baler, Aurora area. Get people around the world a little excited about coming down here and seeing things. Good morning, everybody, from Baler, Aurora. Get your little henna tattoos here.
You know what? Install all the lights here.
It looks like this little area kind of got hit pretty hard by the...
Yes.
There you go. Little hardcore surfers out here heading out.
That building there, look at that. The building is dirty.
It's from the ocean. You know, some places recovered, as they usually do, and others it takes a little time to get your recovery in. They'll recover. They will recover.
Just step.
Yep. Beautiful little park-like setting here.
You know what? We should walk that this way.
In the sand?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't want to get sand in your shoes, even though those are sand shoes, right?
This up there.
And a little meeting area. Little entertainment area. Milo was saying last night as we were sitting around listening to some live music, Milo was saying that, because Milo grew up here, and so he's got a few connections. They were talking about how in the next few years there's going to be a change. They're putting in a huge tourist boardwalk. There's going to be a boardwalk all the way around. Yeah, well, it's around the island from over in that direction that comes this way and runs into here and comes this way. And here we go. Look at that. And look at, it's amazing who we run into, huh? I'm gonna finish walking down here, and friend of mine, good friend of mine, who's been with me on a few of the excursions that we've gone on. She stays in this hotel right down here. Aaliyah Surf. That's her. Good morning. And you know, it's right here on the looks like it kind of gets a little crazy down here once you get beyond this nice flat area. And anyway, she'll recognize the sign and the little infinity pool that's here. Little popular spot down here in Baler. Lots of families out today, enjoying everything. Hey, my man, how are you? Good to see you today. My little jewelry salesman. Good morning. Enjoying everything along here. All the families out. Let's step down off of here in just a second. Go out and walk along we'll go walk along the beach a little bit. It's just this piece of property will be worth a bloody fortune at some point. It's already worth a bloody fortune, but man, it sure took a beating from the hurricane damage. All right, you step down to the beach. Gonna get a little wet, get a little sand in our shoes. Get a good workout for the legs this morning and the ankle. Beautiful. All you California people, you'll be loving this footage. Good morning. All the locals out here with their families and their kids, man. Getting the young kids out. Get up the steps and not invade anybody's privacy, have anybody feel like they need to step away from the camera. Come back up. Wow. Our little favorite jewelry salesman is down at this end now. Little medical rescue. Morning, my man.
Hi, good morning, man. Good morning.
Farther to get into this area, you can now start to see the areas that really got pounded, man. Really got hit. Really got hurt by the typhoon. Now let's see. That's clearing out just a little bit. Let me get a shot over here and see if I can get the camera to in the distance over there. You can see the mountains in the distance. That's where we were yesterday. That's where that footage was being shot yesterday of the damage. Right out off that point out there. Hold the camera still, Brad. Hold the camera still. Okay, let's come back in. Alright. Everybody out? Shall we dance a little bit in the street here? Now, if you were smart, you'd get down here and you'd make some offers, man, on some of the properties that are down here. Get your corporations built. And this little area, Baler, Aurora, Philippines. This place is going to be, mark my words on this one, folks. This area is going to be a pretty valuable asset for the Philippines. Already is. It just got hit by a typhoon. You know, you're looking at recovery process in a third world country from basically, well, it's not even been 6 months. 6 months ago they got hit and devastated by a typhoon. And so, you know, we talk about hurricane damage in so many different places, and here we're getting closer down to what's called the city center. Things that go on around here. They got their little guards doing their checking things out. But you can see already families that have started to collect. This thing will be loaded, absolutely loaded with people this afternoon. Families right now getting up, getting moving, going to church. The religion in this country, the religion is so, oh man. I wish you could smell that fresh bread, man. Look at that, fresh rolls. Wow. 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 Fresh bread, man, and the smell of that fresh bread. Unbelievable. Family's starting to come in. They're going to spend their day together. Beautiful day in the Philippines, even if it's raining. They're going to be here along the beach, spend their time here along the beach. Spend their time here at the beach. Here we go. Gotta get a picture of the sign. We gotta get a sign put live. So if you didn't think I was pronouncing it correctly, there you go. However you want to pronounce it, folks. Baler. Some people roll the L. Depends if you're a local or not. You speak Tagalog, I should say. There you go, look at this. Here's a little Suzuki, man. Little four-door Suzuki. I don't even think that vehicle's even available in the US. That thing is so damn cute, it's unbelievable. Love your car. Good morning, guys. And that right there is what you see and what you run into down here. Good morning, hand waves, just absolute. Everyone's so glad to see you. Not take advantage of you. Let me make that perfectly clear. Not to take advantage of you, but to welcome you to the community. Welcome you down here. The real Filipinos understand now. Hold on. Wow. Look at that place, man. That is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Wouldn't that one be fun to own? Oh my. And I can tell you right now, that's haunted. That one's haunted. That one's got a few people in it. That one's got a few spirits hanging out in it. Good morning, ladies. Wow. How do you like that? Oh my. Little platform here to sit on. Oh God, that thing's beautiful. Wow. BAC. BAC. Wow. I'll have to find out the history on that one. Wow. That is beautiful. I know. Gotta ask Milo about that. Wow. Alright, well, I'm just about coming down to the end of my little jaunt for today. My little excursion. Got my morning walk in. This is basically the end of the developed areas, right there where the tower is, and then from there it goes into undeveloped. So we'll get off the roadway and get some of this footage sent. And if you're just wondering if they had areas that you can just come and camp, yes, look. down here in the trees. Good morning. They have these groups that run in these mountain bikes. You know, I know they're popular in the US and around the world. Here in the Philippines, you've got all these groups, I mean, massive amount of groups that are running up and down with these bikes. And they camp. They've created their own little community. And here we go to the river. The sea returns to the river. Right here. There we go, folks. Here we go. Rivers return back to the sea. Thanks for being with me today. Thank you for spending your time with me. Remember, inspiration by Brad. Be inspired in your life, folks. Be inspired in everything that you do. Get up in the mornings or whenever it is and look for joy. Try to find joy in your life. Find joy in everything. And until the next time, be inspired. Have a great day. Thanks for being with me.